UXcel is a website that allows you to go in and practice a lot of the UX design fundamentals and really sort of learn a lot of the theories and practices that it takes to actually become a UX designer. You're not going to have a lot of the practical skills like, Figma and learning how to use the design software in that sense, although there are courses to help teach you how to use it. You're not going to get that practical hands-on experience here, but this is a lot of gamification. So basically what that means, you're going to get a lot of this or that, which one looks better, which one doesn't look better, and then it provides some nice explanations, sometimes a testimonial from someone in the industry or a company that's actively using this. There's a lot of different things you can do with this. So you can go ahead and get a certification. So like on this, I'll show you here, this is the career pathway. On the career pathways page here, you can become any one of these different careers. If you're in a position like Perk was a couple days ago, he's a high schooler, he's looking to go into a trade school. Well, this is an option for you then to do it. If you're a high schooler and you're kind of confused, don't really know where you want to go to in life, or if you're someone that really is just looking to explore something new, I would really recommend coming here and trying it out. It's free. I have a paid account, but by setting the other account, I'm going to probably drop it. But this is a good pathway to go through, because you can click on any one of these, and if there's a certification tag next to it, you can get a certification at the end of it. And so the one that we're doing together is this one, the UX UI designer. See, there is a certificate and whatnot. Once you complete the path, we're about 35% of the way through. It gives you a good rundown of how long it's going to give you to take. And you can see a lot of the overview of what's going to get covered here. There's a lot of stuff in here. And so there's a lot here. There's a lot for you to do. And if you don't want to get into the fundamentals, if you don't want to get into the lessons to it, if you're just a little too concerned about maybe I don't know, maybe this isn't for me, try some of the games. Arcade over here, we're going to start off with this. It's actually a good way to get us brought up to speed, but this is a good one because it combines everything else here, but you can get more, say if you're struggling on I just don't get how people can see a different color, it's all fucking blue to me, I don't get how this baby blue or light blue or whatever, it fucking doesn't matter. Try the color matching game. It'll help improve those skills. Or if you're someone that's I really don't get, I don't see what's wrong with this, try the error spotting. But we're going to start off with the Ultimate Eye. I think it really helps. I think it helps just as a good way to get your brain going, helps get you in that mindset where you're looking for those issues and looking for those problems to solve. So let's give it a try.